is up, guys. Check it out, man. We got the trap pack out here tonight, man. Check it out. We got Sherm parked all the way over there in the Pontiac. Johnny's right here in the Trap Star. Man, we got to show you something on this. His light bar come off, guys. Man, and it messed his stuff up. So we'll show you that maybe a little later in this video. But check it out. We got the Stain Banger back here in the big Ford, and he's got his hood stack. You can kind of see it there. We got the Charger part back here with the underglow, and look at this, man. This daylight out here, absolutely amazing. But we have something special planned for you guys tonight, and without further ado, we're gonna flip this camera around and get it going. So this is what it is, guys. Check this out. Seen it? Now you have. Let's do it, guys. Light. What did he say? It shocked him? He hit that switch. Shocked the shit out of me. He hit that switch and it shocked him. Something's not grounded right. You alright, Wayne? Yeah. We just put a hole in the ozone. It's not gonna light really, is it, Wayne? Light. There's our daylight again. Damn. Damn, guys. check it out. It is freezing ass cold out here. We didn't really get it to light the way we did. Maybe it's the wind. I'm not really sure, but we're going to try and get it figured out, and we will be back, guys, and we are going to light the snot out of this thing, guys. I'm telling you, it's coming. We're going to get it. That whole stack is just going to roll fire, and I can't wait. But we're going to cut, guys, and maybe we'll be back with another clip. If not, keep on trapping, and we'll see you in the next one.
That was pretty fucking dope.
He's at the crap out of him, he said. But it's supposed to go up in a big flame. I don't think he's running lean or rich enough. What's up, Justin? Why do you think it didn't light?
It needs more fuel.
How are you going to give it more fuel?
Bigger injection.
Oh, man. Damn.
Or, Justin.
Or what?
You don't have a socket set on, do you? Yeah, I do, actually.
Burn him if you got him, guys. We're rolling, but I'll edit this stuff out. Hi, buddy. Are you having fun out here? Was that cool? Yeah. We're gonna get it figured out real good. What do you got here? Ooh, that looks like fun. Yeah. Are you cold or are you okay?
Cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to tell Justin you want to sit in the truck or you want to be out here? All right. You want to sit in the truck? Justin, can he get in the truck? Hey, can he sit in the truck? Yeah. Come on, buddy. What's he doing? What's that?
It's taking off the intercooler. So
Okay.
now it's gonna show, instead of being the fucking turbo, it's gonna throw straight fuel into this thing.
Oh, for real?
Is that right?
All right, Johnny, are you ready for the lights? Lights, Johnny. Lights. I told Johnny lights. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, that's nasty. If it wasn't so windy, it'd probably stay lit. Look, all these guys are out here filming. Look, I'm gonna put the light on them for a minute. Look, they're all out here filming. Look, that's so awesome.
Woo, that's hot.
Hit it again! Yeah. Yeah, baby. Haha, yeah. Spark plug. Spark plug on a switch. Light.
I think the wind has a lot to do with it.
I think so too. I think so too. Guys, I gotta get these on. He's blinding me back here. That is so awesome. Check that out. Another shout out to Wayne Wolf for providing daylight out here for us, guys. And the Stain Banger. Let's give him a big round of applause. That was absolutely awesome. Thanks for everybody that was out here. Ronnie, make sure you guys check him out. That's Too Intense on YouTube. And there's Trap Patrol on YouTube. That's the Journey Gang. all the guys, they're out here. Thank you guys very much. That was great. Once he disconnected the intercooler, guys, he got it, so it just dumped straight fuel in it, man, and that's what it was. But we're gonna get this flipped around for a second, and we're gonna take a look at Johnny's journey. We told you he put a ding in it. Yeah, check him out back here. He put a little ding in it. His light bar came off. Semi went past him real fast, crazy, blew a bunch of wind, just tore it off, man. And check out what happened. I'm gonna put the light on you, Johnny. Woo! There we go. Check him out. Hot clam. Damn, dinged him all up, scratched his window up, and broke his rain guard. So he's got a little work to do. Yeah, ripped the wires out of it. Damn, got him good, guys. Make sure you get on there, check him out. That's Trap Patrol, Trap My Ride, Trap Patrol. But everybody's out here, guys. It is freezing damn cold. Shermanator, he's here. What up, Big Sherm in the house? Yeah. Yeah, it's freaking awesome, guys. So we'll be back on a day when it's not so windy, and we will definitely do this again, guys, and we'll get it figured out a lot better. In the meantime, we will have one hell of a show for you, and maybe we'll bring more trucks. Maybe that'll be a thing. But all right, guys, that's what it is. My hand is freezing to death. It's got to go in my pocket. But we will see you all in the next one. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.
All right, it's over, guys. Footage just for the archives.
You're running the credits right now.
Yeah, the credits are rolling.
It's funny. That's the same thing I tell my old lady. I'm just running out the footage.
That's funny. Damn. So you disconnect the intercooler, and it just dumps straight fuel in it.
Yeah.
Nice.
So what happens is when you pull
That's pretty good thinking, Justin.
you lose your turbo.
Yeah.
Essentially, and it's just dumping straight fuel.
Ha ha ha, nice. Oh, because it's dumping the amount of fuel that it should need for the turbo, which is extra fuel, but without the extra air, it doesn't need that much fuel.
I think if you pull that one off, it does it even better.
What's that?
I think if you pull this one off, it does it even better.
We need to get it on a day where it's a little warmer, and then less wind, so that way it'll stay lit.
360 that he had when we was driving to work the one day.
Yeah.
Fucking intercooler boot blew off.
Oh, dude.
That motherfucker was shooting fire out the hood.
That's awesome.
BGTs ain't nothing but a number.
Yeah, we definitely got to get them out with their trucks too.
Back, don't you?
Yeah, we definitely got to get Aaron and Miranda out with their trucks. Maybe invite some more people. Nate still got his truck? Justin?
I have no idea. I don't think so.
Damn, look at this, guys. It is daylight. What's up, little Ron? I can barely see you for all these lights out here, which you think is kind of messed up, because you think with all this light, I'd be able to see you. It doesn't work like that. Damn, you can't see into the darkness at all, guys. Woo! Hot, damn. We got some more videos of the Jeep, some short clips of him off-roading and stuff. We're gonna snap together and get up, guys. This should be interesting. And check out the Charger. Wayne Wolf, I'm gonna walk right past you, brother.
All right, you do that.
Ooh, look at that. My hood was up. I think I want that shot. Damn. I'm surprised I didn't hear it rattle over the stereo. Check this out, guys. We'll pop this back here. Look what we got going on back here. Woo! We got the suns down, guys, and they are nasty, nasty back here. And they are pumping. Yeah. Nice. So we'll get a video of that coming too. You okay, buddy? You want help down? Oh, you got it? All right, here, let me get the door for you. That's a heavy door.
I could definitely tell it's a Jeep.
Oh, yeah. As soon as I pulled up, I was like, oh, Wayne's already over there.
Right.
So you got the Pontiac, Sherm? What is it, a Grand Prix? Sherman, he got the Grand Prix out here tonight. Yeah, we got the flash on. Sherman got the Grand Prix out here. Check him out on a factress. But he got the sunroof up here. You see him, red dash. Woo, listen to him chuck back here. Damn, looking good in the neighborhood, my homeboy. Woo, and you know he's gonna have it going, guys. Yeah, check him out. Damn, there's so much light over that way, guys. I'll flood the whole view. You won't be able to see anything. Yeah, check him out. This is the start, and you know him. He'll get her done up. He'll get him right. Just give him some time and he'll be on it, man. Get him, Sherm. Woo.
Yeah, I got a big ass gouge right there. Every single one of these rims is gouged.
Every single one of these rims is gouged, he says.
You know? Yeah, right. Yeah.
They have
Busted the shit out of the front bumper.
They were nice.
You know.
Cracked his windshield. Don't forget that. That's my
cracked the
favorite.
fucking windshield. See that? You know. And the wife's sitting over in the fucking passenger seat going, 75 grand, 70 grand, 65 grand, 62 grand, 60 grand. Fuck it. That's what I bought it for.
When you get to 4, let me know.
Yeah, right? You know. But no, I mean, that's what I bought it for. I didn't buy it to be a mall crawler.
What? Come on, you don't want to crawl the malls?
No. I bought this thing to build it. And
You don't want to pick up all the dilfs?
I mean, I don't want to tear the crap. You know, I don't want to tear the shit out of it.
Oh no, he don't want to tear the shit out of it, whistling diesel.
Yeah, right? No. Not to that level.
No, not to that level. Oh look, I forgot. Tundra's in here. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, her so pretty. Good girl. Good girl, Tundra. Good girl. All right, Sherm, take it easy, brother. Be safe. Don't floor it leaving here.
Oh, I won't.
Good girl, Tundra. Look, he's got it all muddy. All down the side. Yeah. All right, brother. I'll get the video edited. Sorry, I forget the flashes on sometimes. I don't mean to blind you like that. Look at this guy. He's got his glasses on at night. He's cool. All right, you guys be careful going home. Don't floor it leaving here, because you know they're going to be red. Well, at least if you catch the heat, we're all good. We're like, hey, Justice pulled over. Let's all leave. Hopefully not. Be careful, man.
Alright, we'll see ya.
Yep, have a good one, brother. I'll send you a link as soon as the video's up.
Okay.
Yeah, Johnny boy.
Cold.
All right, guys, everybody's cutting out of here. I think we're gonna head back to the trap shack. I don't know who's gonna follow me back there, but that's where I am headed. Later, guys.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.